As you have seen, that I haven't published yesterday, and that was because I was doing my audition for McGill. I vlogged a bit of my practice, and this is what you will get to see now, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hello, it's me again. This is basically just, I'm going to diary my practicing for my exam and also for the audition. I'm not gonna really show it today, but I wanted to start off. And I'm feeling all right now. I'm not feeling too overwhelmed, mostly just motivated panic. And I'm going to start learning my repertoire and practice solfège, and then I'm gonna do some Bach chorales. So wish me luck. I'll probably come back and tell you how it went. Also, really annoying, my tea spilled all over my backpack. So fun times in April land. So I'm just leaving it beside the furnace to let it dry because it's actually really hot in here. So yeah, I'll come back to you in a bit. My voice is tired, so I'm gonna stop. I've been practicing since 11:30 and it's almost 1, so an hour and a half. The person beside me is playing too loud for me to focus, and I'm just that tired, so I'm gonna continue practicing at home. I think this was a pretty productive time. I went through most of it, and I did practice some things for the audition as well. And I'm gonna go and find some articles about choral literature, because I need to spruce up on that as well. And yeah. Hello, it's me again. It is Friday, January 17th, so there is 12 days before I leave, something like that. And today I practiced about 2 hours on everything I had to do for the audition. My solfège exam is done, so I can focus on this besides studying for Hungarian music history. And today I am analyzing the music that I need to conduct. So I have the listening guide on my computer, and then I am also, can you see? Yes, so, oh, you can't see because it's not on this page, haha. As you can see, I'm analyzing the chords right now. I'm gonna do another listen of the Brahms with the score, and then I'm gonna start coloring it. And you will see what I mean by coloring. It's a long process. My head hurts. And yeah, we will see how it goes. I have to contact one of my friends who's good at theory and see if they can help me out with some of the chords because I'm struggling. So yeah, hopefully things go well. And yeah. Hello. So it is the 25th. I leave in 4 days. And I haven't made a lesson plan yet, so I'm gonna do some chorales, and I thought you could be here to see how it goes. And I'm gonna turn on one more today. And yeah, so I'm getting better for my audition, and yeah, I'm stressed, but we will see how it goes, so yeah. Oof. So, I have to try and transpose, but lo and behold, I am really not good at transposing. So, oops. Am I right? Yes. Yay! G is like the worst one to transpose. As a C. Yes. Sure. Oh, that was extremely painful. So we're just gonna not do that anymore for now. Oof. Do, mi, fa, sol, la, do, re, do, ti, do, mi, oof. Mi, sol, fi, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Whoops, that's a D. Ah, that's why. Where's page 45? Deine Wohnung gehen, nährt sich nach den Vorhöfen des Herrn. Die lieben dich immer, da, immer. Okay. Arian, yes, we are. Die loben dich immer, da, immer, da. Die loben dich immer, da. Two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1. Sol, ti, re, mi, re, do, la, ti. Die loben dich ihn. Okay, so I'm gonna start writing notes of what I need to focus on. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm gonna go listen to it for a bit and I will be back. Thank you for watching this vlog and I hope that you enjoy it. Next week, hopefully, is a vlog about Montreal. This is my free day before I leave tomorrow, so I will be seeing a bit more, and yeah, so I'll see you next time.